Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to select duplicates in Excel for many ways. Okay, let's begin. First of all, select all table, go to Tools, select duplicate and unique cells. Okay, all duplicate including first on duplicate expert except first on. Okay, all unique including first duplicate. Okay, fill color or background, click OK. Now see this duplicate values or names. Another way to select duplicates, select full table and go to Tools tab. Now see this find duplicates, select and highlight duplicates, click OK. Now see this highlight duplicate. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.